Hello everyone, Deathcorner2 here, and welcome back to JAK 2. Oops. Put that away. Sorry it's still night. But, we're gonna play with this now. I don't see anything. Alright, that. How many of these did I kill last time? Oh.
Back up to get out of the map.
I'm just gonna... What happened? Did I fall? And if I did, how exactly? Whatever. Man, listen to the change of that music. Horrifying. Alright, what am I supposed to bash open now? This brick wall? Okay, I probably don't have to push that. Oh. Over right here? This thing takes damage relatively fast. Concerning.
Back up to get out of the map.
Yeah. By the way, notice how Dexter looks in this thing? He's like pushed against it. Ah, I see now. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's very rude. The manners on these metalheads. Jeez, it's unbelievable. Oh.
Smashing work, JAK. Oh, that was funny.
Let me just kill this metalhead. Jerk. Oh. What do I do with it? Oh. Nice throw, JAK. It's a good thing these things respawn. You know, just like logic. Alright, let's try that again. Good enough. Let me guess, I gotta throw one at this too. Makes sense. I don't think I need to go down there.
I spent many a day cleaning up this place for old Greenie.
Now look at it.
Good work, JAK. And Daxter, I suppose. Before we came through the rift long ago, I was nurturing that life seed from the great tree. It seems the metalheads are attracted to its power. Take the seed to own it now. She will prepare it for Seamus.
You mean you?
No, the other me, Daxter. My younger self needs the seed's power to become sagely.
So, let me get this straight. It's fair to say that by bringing your younger self the life seed now, we helped you become the sage you are today.
Yeah.
We helped you get your powers in the first place. And you never thanked us?
Thank you, Daxter. Now go do it.
I mean, to be fair, if he told us this, like, a few years ago, we would have thought he was batshit crazy. Just to be fair. Okay, there's gotta be a precursor orb here. I refuse to believe that there isn't. Yeah, this is where Kira made her little vehicle. I refuse to believe there is no precursor orb. Okay then, there is no precursor orb. That surprises me. I bet we can get back faster if we die. There we go. Aw, really? Well, so much for that cheat. Actually, I do think we are getting there quicker. Maybe. Right, I gotta go this way. You know, I still haven't been over there. I wonder when I'm going to... What's a precursor orb over there? We're fine, JAK. Relax. Just for the extra airtime, I like to do that. Now I gotta take it to the nice lady. And there's a job to do with energy as well. Right. Well, let's see which is closer. I'm willing to bet it's the energy mission. By the way, has anyone noticed that the old man, whatever his name is, the one looking at... Well, the one that was looking after the kid, only gives missions that deal with the Baron himself and not metalheads? He's gotta be a metalhead in disguise. Right? I mean, the way he talks, and the way people are suspicious of him, he's got to be. Sorry, my hand slipped. Well, finger. I'm sorry. Anyway, back to what I was saying. He's gotta be a metalhead.
I've got suspicious activity in this sector.
I don't know what kind of metalhead exactly, but definitely a metalhead. Sheesh, maybe the lady's hut would have been closer. I don't want to. Your face is not in sight. No thanks. I'm going in here so you can't see me anymore. No thanks.
Hey there, sack of nerves. How's the stuff going? I've got good news and bad news. The good news is Core tells me we've got enough power online to keep the shield walls up. So for now, the city's safe. But I don't know how long the system can hold.
And the bad news?
We've detected a cluster of metalhead eggs growing up at the strip mine site. Now you've got to go back there and find a way to destroy those eggs before they turn into a whole new army of creatures.
I noticed the crane was lifting a large metal container. If we could jump onto the container, we could drop the crate from above.
I jump, drop. Why don't I like the sound of that?
Come on, Dax. Let's go.
This is a no-hover zone.
Your face is a no-hover zone. Okay, so logically, I need to start climbing. I don't know if I'm going the right way or not. I'm just making guesses here. Okay, maybe I am going the right way. Oh, that nearly gave me a panic. Well, shoot. I wasn't using those fingers anyway. Or those legs. The whole body is just overrated. Well, I suppose I haven't really explored this direction. Oh boy, grinds. Because there are 40, huh? Jeez. Oh boy. Is this really how we're gonna do this? Are we literally sporting our way to the objective? Jeez. Oh dear God, why would you do this? Yeah, I didn't even see that. Oh no. No, come on. Yeah, that's what I expected. Oh! Oh, well, there's a checkpoint. That's nice. I guess. We can call that nice, can't we? Oh my god, I'm okay. Can I climb? I did it! For a moment I didn't think I was going to, but I did it. This looks like a spot for a precursor orb to hide. 2! Oh, I'm glad I looked. I didn't know those were going to be there, by the way. That was all I guess. A very nice, good, lucky gal. Oh, no. How long is this crazy joyride? Oh, hello. Jeez, you guys are just popping everywhere, aren't ya?
Gotta ride the checkboard on this one, Jack.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Alright. Are we all ready for this? I'm not. I can't even see the thing. Did you just push the button? Done. You're okay. Good work. Just awkward moment, huh? Fair enough, I guess. Guess that's all we do here.
Seal off the area.
Yeah, sorry, we kind of needed that. What was that guy just standing there for? Sorry, ma'am. Not really. I got an itch and it's bothering me. Hang on. Yeah. Alright, we're good. Really? They gave up?
I've got suspicious activity in this sector.
Yeah, there's weird noises, and when you turn around, things are broken. How odd. Alright, we're here.
Onan says, what took you so long? We had to skip lunch waiting for you too. Ah, okay. She really says, thank you for saving the live seed. but I wouldn't say that if I were her. Give Onan the seed, and she will prepare it for Samus.
Back off, featherweight!
Listen, Tiny Tail. I was leading my 100 flocks south before you had fur one between your legs. Not that your fur means anything.
At least I'm not some overstuffed, over-yapping, feather-dusty mouthpiece for the world's oldest professional. Jack says, have a nice day. Jack says, I can't think on my own. Jack says, go bite yourself.
That's it, rat boy. Now you've really pissed me off.
Knock it off, both of you.
You're lucky I'm famished.
Oh, sure.
Take the energized life seed to young Samus in Haven Forest. It will give Samus the power he needs to finally see the forest from the trees.
What?
Quickly.
See the forest of the what the hell does that mean? You mean from their point of view?
Nothing so far. I've got suspicious activity in the sector. Please advise. Suspect's description.
Sorry.
Sweeping for suspect. Patrolling Sector 9. Be advised, I'm on foot.
So they mentioned the forest, so I must have to go to that forest area again. I thought those scouts had camouflaged. Metalheads. Where is he? It's dark, so who knows, maybe I won't see him, but... Oh, he's up there, okay. Well, consider I might not have time for this mission.
Samos told me to. I mean, you told me to. Or, well, I mean, your older version. Whatever. We heard you needed the life seed.
Yes, its power will help me speak to the planets.
There he is! Roger, we're en route. I see him.
Jack, protect me from these guards. I must ask the plants vital questions about our future.
Why would they know? Oh, hi. Oh, hi! You flying guys are actually here. Damn right you are. Any more flying? Damn it, I was trying to go dark. Let's try that again. Can I skip this? I should have waited till daytime. I don't know if I can hit Samus, but I don't want to risk it. Did I get him? Shot him at least once, but I don't know if he's dead. Nope, he's still alive. Yeah, Samus, can you hurry? I don't think I can hold them off for very long. Is there a reason you guys think you can succeed? There's another one. Where is he? What you need is a different line of work. There you are! You flipped. Look, Samus, I'm almost dead. Are you almost done? Oh, they're done. Okay, cool. Works for me. So what'd they say?
The life seed gave me a terrible vision. The Baron is planning to destroy the precursor stone.
Why?
He aims to crack it open somehow.
Why?
If he does this, the energy released will be beyond comprehension. It will destroy the world and more, ending all life. The plants are crying out for protection. You must stop the Baron, JAK. Stop him, however you can.
Well, why is he doing it? Alright. I don't know how, but I'll stop him. Thank you everybody for watching. If you're seeing this on YouTube, consider joining us on Patreon to help our channel grow and support us. There will be a link in the description below. Oof. Bye-bye!